The Shimoda DSLR Divider Kit allows greater customization inside your core unit. Each kit comes with 5 9cm wide horizontal folding dividers. Our 9cm wide divider can change your layout to 3 equally wide columns. This allows you to line lenses down either side of a lens-mounted body. It's important to note wider diameter lenses with large lens hoods are not ideal for this type of setup. These dividers also fold in half to create shelves or lids to keep your loose gear in place. Our 3 vertical folding dividers allow you to create small spaces within your core unit. Tight corners for narrow items like remotes and cables, or make a more secure fit for awkward shaped gear. Finally, our divider pocket is designed to store items like batteries, memory card wallets, or portable hard drives. It can be positioned as an actual divider or secure against a core unit wall. The divider kit is sized to fit in our DSLR core units. Each divider is made from compression molded EVA with a single layer wall design. This eliminates frustrating battles with traditional Velcro dividers. Each divider features a tapered base to allow simple catch-free configurations. If you're looking for greater options inside your core unit, our DSLR Divider Kit is for you.